Hey guys, Jake Tyler here, product manager at Milwaukee Tool over the chainsaw category. Excited to walk you through the new M18 FUEL dual battery chainsaw, that next chainsaw solution that's going to disrupt the tree care industry. This saw generates 70 cc gas power, delivers faster cutting through reduced stalls, and delivers a balanced design for more control. So we're going to do a cut real quick here in this 18-inch hardwood just to show you the capability of the saw. So not only did we take on this demanding application, we did it fast and with the M18 system, further driving the capability of battery and our commitment to the tree care industry.